She did eventually go on to live in Argentina and Morocco, Greece, Russia, even Japan for a little while.
I don't really know what kind of help I need, but I can't go on living without knowing who I am.
A lot of them have gone on to do extraordinary things in business.
I tried to stop him, but he went on doing it.
So Netflix went on to be one of their most lucrative investments ever.
You just gotta go on being brave.
But I, like a fool, went on telling her that her body was rich and lovely.
She went on to tell me that she was moving back home to Minnesota.
Elena, you went on to become the greatest child assassin the world has ever known.
I'll win tonight, and I'll go on winning till I get to the top again.
And we went on to win the event.
Don't go on saying, oh, I loved her.
Serena would go on to say, I looked up and all I could see was a sea of rich people.
I did, however, go on to summarize that the benefits of Iron Man far outweigh the liabilities.
I won't go on taking tips from you as I used to.
At this stage, it looks as though whoever wins this game will most likely go on to take the entire match.
Okay, I might have commented on how great Shipley's career was for a second, but then I went on to talk about how great Jack's script was, and it is.
He goes on to describe a particularly interesting summer where he volunteered at a local hospital.
Till we went on playing even when the bombs were falling.
After we broke up, Billy went on to play with me, George, and John on our solo records.
You sure you want me to go on giving her whatever she wants?
Her son dropped his wallet and she went on to give it to her.
Steve Jobs dropped out after one semester and went on to build a little company called Apple.
Well, go on making their dresses.
Got out that place and your mama had taken you, went on to make a life without me.
So he taught himself English and went on to write Lolita, a book many people know.
He went on to write a book that sold almost as well as the Bible.
But she was smiling when she went on writing.